Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you to fix this WhatsApp error. And of course, this WhatsApp error, as you can see here, it says login not available right now. And for security reasons, we can't log you in right now. Please try again later or contact us if you need help with your account. And of course, it gives down here a contact us form. All right, so I'm going to show you to deal with this error. All right, so first of all, this is a WhatsApp error. I was getting this, and I'll explain the situation. I had started over, wiped my device, and I was installing WhatsApp over. Now, normally you use your phone number, and of course, you can go ahead and restore your backups. And of course, once I did that, as I've done so many times, and all of a sudden, during this section where you verify yourself, I did the verification, and somewhere along there, that error appeared. All right. So first of all, guys, it could just be a simple error that it actually is just a fluke. All right. So you can just do first, you could wait a bit and try again later. Now, try again later is kind of vague. So what I did was I just gave it like 15 minutes or so, or even 5 minutes. And then what I did was I found out that our guess based on the error, that because I was on a network that was not my normal network or my home network. Now, I usually use the home Wi-Fi for heavy downloads, or I'll use the mobile data, and I wasn't using my regular connection, which I'm normally connected to. So I think that's what triggered that particular warning. So if you're getting it, go ahead and check to see, or wait until you're home, and of course, go ahead and try to restore. All right, on your home dedicated network. If not, guys, you can also use your mobile network, because in my case, I started it off after getting the error. I simply waited a little bit, probably, as I said, about 8 minutes or so. Then I connected to my mobile data. Then I went back through the process again and tried again. And of course, this time it went through. So most likely it's a security feature. And because I was using a strange network that I was not my regular home network, it decided that it was probably suspicious activity. All right. Next thing, make sure that your number is put in properly when you're doing the verification process. Make sure you didn't make an error with the format, and of course, request that the number be sent, for example, to a wrong number. So that might trigger the system to actually flag you. All right. So the main one is to make sure you're on one of your networks that you're using most of the time, especially when you're on WhatsApp. All right, which is your home network or the built-in mobile network on your device. All right, so what I did, as I said, I started by using my mobile data, and as soon as it went through the verification process with the number, then I switch over to a Wi-Fi network, preferably one that you use regularly. All right, so if you do those two things, you should be good. However, in some cases, I'm sure that the error will still persist. Another thing you could do, guys, is to go ahead and use the contact form that's seen at the base of the page that says contact us. Use that as a last resort, but I'm sure you once you contact them and explain the situation, they'll ask you to verify yourself, most likely by doing something specific, maybe by sending some form of identification or something of the sort. So you may want to, as I said, leave that as a last resort and to use all the other methods as I just outlined. But if all else fails, you can contact them and verify yourself. And then, of course, I'm sure you will get through. And that's about two suggestions. And the fourth, it could be that WhatsApp is having a bug, meaning that either the servers are acting up, and of course, it's just a false positive, and you caught the process at a bad time, and of course, the system is glitching. And all it requires is to actually wait a good amount of time, check to see if the service is down, which is WhatsApp, and then try again once the system or the service is back up. All right, so if you do all of those things, you should be able to fix the issue. And as always, guys, recorded from Blog Tech Tips, showing you how to do this on your devices. So see you in the next one, guys. Bye.